Saturday, April 15th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., Midwest Muscle will be having our third annual muscle car show and food truck event. Located in Springfield, Missouri at the brand new Allison Sportstown Complex. If you think this is your average car show,
my girl need a wine in the state. My mom need a house for the lake, so I got some money to make. Tell me I got what it take, so I gotta take it all back.
you thought wrong. We will have everything there from bounce houses for the kids, 20 different style food trucks, the best of all, American muscle cars, and our newest addition to the car show, a mobile dyno.
We are go for launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't miss out on this event. It will be epic. We will see you there.